in a straight line. In the previous video, we have studied about various kinds of velocity time graph. Now, plot different kinds of velocity time graph according to the given situations. First situation is when the object is at rest and then moves with uniform acceleration. When initially object is at rest and then moves with uniform or constant acceleration. Then according to first equation of motion, we can write v equal to u plus at. Initially when object is at rest, then u equal to 0, therefore v equal to at. Therefore, as acceleration is also constant or uniform, therefore a is constant. Thus we can write v is proportional to t. Thus graph obtained is a straight line, starts from the origin, that is at rest. Slope gives uniform acceleration. Second situation is if the object is moving with constant velocity. Thus the velocity is not changing with time. Thus we can say that by first equation of motion, v is equivalent to u plus at, and change in velocity by change in time gives acceleration. Here the velocity is not changing, thus acceleration is 0. By this we can draw Vt curve which is parallel to x-axis. Acceleration is 0. Third situation, when object is dropped from rest, if we are using word dropped, it means we are dropping it from some height. When object is dropped from rest, then by first equation of motion, v is equivalent to u plus at, and here instead of acceleration we will use gravity, or as at height h u is equal to 0, therefore v is equal to gt, and as g is constant, so we can write v is proportional to t. Here also the graph is a straight line starting from 0. Next curve, let's suppose when the object is moving with uniform or doing uniform accelerated motion. Or doing uniform accelerated motion, then by equation of motion v equivalent to u plus at, and at t equal to 0 v equal to u, and as the time increases v increases. Thus we can draw a graph like this. Initially body has some velocity which is u, and after that at time t it is moving with uniform acceleration. Next situation is when object is thrown in vertically upward direction. We know that when object thrown in upward direction, then its velocity will decrease and retardation occurs. Thus, when we will plot VT curve, retardation, and the object will reach at the highest point, and after reaching at the highest point, its direction will get reverse and acceleration occurs as the body is falling towards ground. Uniform retardation, this is a peak point, highest point where the velocity is 0. After reaching at the highest point, the direction of retardation or acceleration will reverse. So it is uniform acceleration. This graph we cannot draw in this way. Retardation and then acceleration, because here the direction is not changing. This is retardation. A body is uniformly retarded, and after reaching at a point, its velocity will 0 and then uniform acceleration. Here the direction is not changing. So this graph is not equal to this one. This is a straight line motion, and here we are throwing body in upward direction. Now, next one is if the graph is given you in this situation. Here we can see that this slope is a uniform acceleration. Here slope is 0, that is acceleration is 0, or the object is moving with uniform velocity. Here retardation, uniform retardation occurs.